If you are an admin of Zoho Expense, you will have 3 views because you could be a submitter. So you get your standard view as a submitter. You have the approvals, as in which of your team members have submitted a report or a trip or a purchase request that needs approval. Or you'll have access to the admin view. The admin view allows you to see as a company-wide piece on who is submitting what reports and which trips and what advances, and you can toggle the reports to show you different times. So we can have for previous year or we can have for this year. The dashboard allows you to toggle on any of these reports for the different periods. Within here as well, you can see directly what is requiring some action. What do you need to do? So here we can see that we've got 2 pending reports, and it's here that we will show you how to correct those reports.